Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. We have a list of sets. List the members of the sets A intersection B. So intersection kind of looks like a bridge. And what happens when you bridge a conversation? You find what's common. So what's common between A and B? Let's see here. A has 22, B does not. A has 24, B does. A has 26, B does not. A has 28, B does not. A has 30 and B does. So we can simply write this as 24 and 30. Always make sure to have no repeats. Not A. So not A is everything outside of A. So we can simply write every single thing that does not include A. So we can see here we have 22. So we can remove 22 and 22 is not in B. 24. So we have to remove 24, 24. 26, 26, 27, and 30. So everything that is not marked out, we simply write. So we have 21. Remember, no repeats. 21, 23, 25, 28, 29. C is 23, 25, and 29. Use set notation to find expression for C in terms of A. So first off, I can see that C is not A because 23, 25, and 29 are not visible here. It is also not visible in B. So I know that it has something to do with not A and not B. But it's also a common thing between A and B. And when dealing with commons, it's an intersection. So our answer is A not intersection B not. Thanks for watching. Cram and Scram.